Hi guys, I'm back for another video, and today we've got a lot to get through. As you can see, now we've got 4 babies which have been ringed, so that's very good. This female, this is the male, as you can see. The female sitting on 2 eggs, so hopefully they'll hatch soon. These two have started to bond. As you can see, it's our 5 mix of a gate and the red factor variegated. They've started to bond, but they haven't started building yet, so that's good. As you can see, there's a pair of red factors here. She is not sitting, but there is 2 babies and an egg. As you can see, this is one of our males we got from George. She's sitting on, I think, 2 or 3 babies there. So that's very good. As you can see, there's only 1 female, we'll believe it's female red factor here. We've separated them because she's been fighting with him. There. I see the feeding each other right there. And if I have a little check, they've started building a very big nest there. Very good. So hopefully we'll get some eggs from them soon. These haven't started breeding yet, but maybe if a little push they will. And we've got one in the nest here. See the females out, but they have some, I think, 2 babies there. Can have a lot of red mosaic this season. So yes guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.